Emma, guess what? I'm coming on your house tonight.
You're coming on my house? Like, on the roof?
What? No, I mean, I'm coming in your house? Wait, that doesn't sound right either.
Jake, you're coming to my house, not on or in, to.
Prepositions are killing me. Why are there so many?
That's exactly why we're here today. If prepositions confuse you too, stay tuned. We'll fix them all right now.
And don't forget to subscribe. We post new lessons every week to help you talk smart.
Let's master prepositions together. Let's start with in. This is for enclosed spaces or longer time periods.
Enclosed spaces? Like inside things?
Exactly. I'm in the house. I'm in the car. I'm in bed.
So, in the room right now?
Perfect. For time, use in with months, years, and longer periods, like in January, in 2024, in the morning.
Wait, in the morning? Not at the morning?
Nope. In the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, but at night. That's just how it is.
English makes no sense.
I know. Just remember, if you're inside something or talking about longer time periods, use in.
In the office in the morning? Got it.
Next, on. This is for surfaces and specific days.
Services like tables?
Yes, the book is on the table, the picture is on the wall, I'm sitting on the chair.
What about buses and trains? I always mess this up.
Great question. You're on a bus, on a train, on a plane, because they're like platforms or surfaces you board.
But you're in a car and in a taxi.
Exactly, because cars and taxis feel more enclosed. You get in them, not on them.
So I'm on the bus, but I'm in the car.
Perfect. For time, use on with specific days, like on Monday, on my birthday, on Christmas Day.
I'm on the train on Tuesday morning. Did I get it right?
Almost. On Tuesday morning is right, but just in the morning without the day. So, on Tuesday or in the morning. Choose one.
So tricky.
Now, at. This is for specific points, locations, and times.
Specific points?
Yes, I'm at the store. I'm at school. I'm at work. It's a specific location.
What about home?
Good question. We say at home, but never at house. Just home is treated as a location point.
I'm at home watching TV.
Perfect. For time, use at with clock times. At 5 p.m., at noon, at midnight.
So at 3 o'clock?
Yes, and at night. Remember, not in the night.
Why is night different from morning and afternoon?
Honestly, no good reason. It's just English being weird. But now you know.
I'm starting to think English makes up rules randomly.
To shows direction or movement towards something.
Like going somewhere?
Exactly. I'm going to the store. I'm walking to school. I'm driving to work.
So my original mistake was I'm coming to your house?
Yes, you're moving toward my house, so use to.
What about I'm going home? No to?
Great catch. Home is special. We say going home, coming home, arriving home, no to needed.
English has so many exceptions.
Welcome to English. But to also shows who receives something. I gave the book to Emma. I sent a message to Jake.
So to is for movement and giving things to people.
Exactly. You're getting it. For shows purpose, duration, or who benefits.
Purpose? Like reasons?
Yes, this gift is for you. I'm studying for the exam. I'm working for my family.
And duration?
Right. I lived there for 5 years. I've been waiting for an hour. I studied for 2 hours.
I'm learning English for my job. Is that right?
Perfect. You're showing the purpose. You can also use for to show support. I'm voting for this candidate. I'm rooting for my team.
So many uses.
Yes, but they all connect to purpose, benefit, or time period. Just ask yourself, why? How long? For whom?
That's helpful.
By shows proximity or method.
Proximity? You mean closeness?
Yes, sit by me. The store is by the bank. I left my phone by the window.
And method.
How something is done. I travel by train. I sent it by email. I paid by card.
So I'm going by bus.
Exactly. But careful, by also shows deadlines. Finish this by Monday. I need it by 5 p.m.
I'll send the email by tonight by computer. Wait, that sounds wrong.
Almost. I'll send the email by tonight or by computer. Choose the more important meaning. Usually, I'll send the email by tonight.
Got it.
Over means above something or across it.
Like flying over?
Yes, the plane flew over the city. The bridge goes over the river. I jumped over the fence.
What about over there?
Good example. Over there means in that direction or area. Over can also mean more than. Over 100 people came. It costs over $50.
And game over?
Yes. Over also means finished. The class is over. The movie is over.
So many meanings for one little word.
English loves multi-purpose words. Under is the opposite of over. It means below or beneath something.
Like under the table?
Exactly. The cat is under the table. I hid under the bed. It's under the bridge.
What about under pressure?
Great idiom. Under pressure means experiencing stress. Under can also mean less than, like under 18 years old or under $20.
So over means more than, under means less than?
Yes, like over budget and under budget.
My English is over improving.
I think you mean improving greatly. Between is for two things or people.
Just two?
Exactly. The book is between the two lamps. I'm choosing between coffee and tea. This stays between you and me.
What about more than two?
Then you use among. We'll get to that next.
Okay. I'm sitting between Emma and the wall.
Perfect. Between also works for time. Between 9 and 5. Between Monday and Friday.
And relationships?
Yes, there's tension between them. The relationship between the two countries. Always two.
Got it. Two things equals between.
Among is for three or more things.
So if there are 3 people, I use among?
Exactly. I'm sitting among my friends. The house is hidden among the trees. There's a spy among us.
So, between you and me, but among the group?
Perfect understanding. Between is one to one, among is one to many.
I found my keys among the pile of clothes. Is that right?
Yes, because there are many items in the pile. Great example. Through means from one side to the other or during a period.
Like going through a tunnel?
Exactly. We drove through the tunnel. I walked through the park. Light shines through the window.
And time periods?
Through shows duration, like I worked through the night, through the entire movie, through winter.
What about I found out through my friend?
Great! Through also means by means of. I learned through practice. I heard through social media.
So, through is like a journey or a method?
Perfect way to remember it. Last one is about. This is for topics or approximate amounts.
Topics? Like conversation subjects?
Yes. Let's talk about the weather. I'm thinking about you. This book is about history.
And approximate amounts?
Right. About 50 people came. It costs about $100. I'll be in in about 10 minutes.
So, about means approximately.
Exactly. You can also use it for being ready to do something. I'm about to leave. The movie is about to start.
I'm about to understand prepositions.
You're actually right. About to means something is going to happen very soon. Let's do a quick practice game. I'll give you sentences, you fill in the preposition.
Okay, challenge accepted.
I'm going blank the store. What preposition?
2. I'm going to the store.
Correct. The book is blank the table.
On. I'm going on the table.
Yes, I'll finish this blank Monday.
By. I'll finish this by Monday.
Perfect. I'm sitting blank my 2 friends.
Between. Because there are 2.
Excellent. I walked blank the park.
Through. I walked through the park.
Great. Let's talk blank your plans.
About. Let's talk about your plans.
You're nailing this. Last one. I'm blank the train.
On. I'm on the train.
Perfect. See, you've mastered prepositions.
I actually feel confident now.
Before we wrap up, let's review common mistakes.
And I probably made all of them.
Let's see. Don't say I'm in the bus. Say on the bus.
Check.
Don't say at the morning. Say in the morning.
Got it.
And don't say I'm going at home. Say I'm going home with no preposition.
That one's tricky.
And never I'm on home. Just I'm at home if you're already there.
So my original mistake was legendary.
Legendary indeed. And there you have it. You just mastered English prepositions in 15 minutes.
I went from confused to confident. Now I know I'm coming to your house, not on it. I good.
Exactly. Let's quickly recap.
In for enclosed spaces and longer time periods.
On for surfaces and specific days.
At for specific points in time and location.
To for direction and movement.
4 for purpose, duration, and benefits.
By for proximity, method, and deadlines.
Over and under for above and below.
Between for two things, among for three or more.
Through for going from one side to the other.
And about for topics and approximate amounts.
No more saying, I'm at home or in the bus.
Exactly. So now you know how to master English prepositions.
Thanks for listening with us today.
And don't forget to like this video, share it with your English learning friends, and subscribe to the Talk Smart podcast.
We're here every week with fun English lessons.
See you next time.
Don't just learn English, talk smart.